Good morning. A nice, quiet, peaceful morning. I'm back in Pennsylvania. I'm starting my day off in Hanover at Black Rose. Let's go in and see what they got. This booth has quite a nice discount going. I feel like they don't usually have a discount. These tumblers are on the discount too. I can't remember how much they, well, it's kind of hard to see. Oh, there they are. Let's see. Paraffin swirl firm though. Oh, well, that's irrelevant then. They're not included in the 35%. These strawberries. Got the Hazel Atlas for $5. Make sure there's no chips on that. I'll take that. And then this one looks like Japan, and it's got their original spoon. Yep, Japan. I think I'll take that one too. And a little pocket of cat. This is a cute one. This one's $8 and 25%. Oh, no, 15% off. But I really like its expression. It's kind of unusual. I'll get that. And then this one almost looks German, but it is Japanese and tagless. Ugh. These are usually kind of spendy, but I was going for that, but look at this. Oh my gosh. That is fantastic. It does have a hairline, but honestly, it's so incredible. It's German too, which is super unexpected. I would have thought Japan. That is a 100% yes. Wow, what a unique piece. Ooh, shake that one off. And down here, this is what I was going for. Japan, $15. Yeah, we'll leave that. Really cute though. Wow, I cannot get over this. This is probably contemporary. 18. It's probably like Mexican or something, or like Chinese import Murano. It had like a really nice color to it on the side. Can't remember where this is made, but it's not, I don't know, I think it was just the reflection that got me. Oh my gosh, look at this rhinoceros. How fabulous. What's wrong with his neck? I love it. Let's see, $18. Yeah, that's about retail on that, unfortunately. Someone's going to be really excited to find him, though. Epic Tenala cat situation. $36.50. It's super heavy. I'm going to leave that one there. Unfortunately, I'm seeing a crack that I didn't see before. It's very small, but I'm nervous about handling it much more in shipping and all that, so I'm putting it back. It's a little bit more eclectic than it usually is back here. This is kind of a fun cat. Definitely newer than I'd like it to be. And then the duck jar looks like Mother Goose almost. This is really neat. I feel like I don't see ice cream tins. I feel like they're usually paper. $12. Kind of like the patina on that, the Starburst. That's really neat. And then what's this cigar box back here? Winnie Winkle. That's kind of neat. I like the graphic on that. Oh, these are fun. The garlic with the clothespin nose. Salt and pepper. $20. Oh man, it's so hard to be here in this booth when it's not completely picked over. This thing weighs 100 pounds, but it's absolutely amazing. That's the largest one I've ever seen. Not sure if it's logistic with how much packing material it would take up. This cat planter is pretty great. That's USA Pottery as well. And it's different, so even though it's all white, it's one I haven't had before, or actually even seen it. It's usually just a figurine when I see it. I think I'll probably pick that one up. And then here's the Lefton one, $10. It's got a little chip on it, and since it's more common and it's got a chip, I'm gonna leave it. This is pretty blatantly very contemporary, but I had to look at it anyway because it's super fun. Love the rhinestones on that. And let's see, a little top hat ashtray. What's the mirror? Oh, wow, that's fabulous. Well, we'll take that for $1. That's a steal. And then this little purse, $8. That is not Bakelite on the top, even though it's reminiscent of it. You can see the seams. Oh my God. Is this moss or... That is gorgeous. Look at the hand painting on that. That looks to be like definitely early. That is so pretty. For $25, I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. I'm pretty sure it's like either really early Mosser or maybe even Fenton with that look. But that enamel painting is just the way you want it. I mean, look at how detailed that is. That's gorgeous. Lots of fun little figurines and knickknacks back here. I like the cat. $12 though, and chipped. And this is kind of fun. Look at this, McCoy. I like that shade of pink and the fact that it's kind of textured and layered. Super fun. Little blue opalescent hobnail. 1950 though. I really like that size. What's this Santa mug hiding back here? $8. It's glass. That's fun. What is that? Oh, how great. Vintage Santa mug. $8. And it's green. It's super jolly. It's holly jolly. Yeah, that's really fun. Wait. I feel weird putting this back like that, but look at this. Put this basket down. I'm gonna put it down flat since I got this. Ooh, hold Howard. Yeah. Look at this. That is a really good one. Dang, and they know it. Alvino Bagni, $75. So I actually, when I was in Abilene, Texas, saw the best glasses set I've ever seen in my life, before or after, to date, ever. And it was this artist. And they were super fragile, and a lot of them had damage, so I didn't get it. And I always kind of wish I had, but there's just too much going on at the time. Really neat piece, though. Here's one of those fun Portuguese roosters. $15. Kind of like his cartoony vibe. Well, I came over here because I was drawn to this carved lion sitting in a chair. That's very unusual. And then I saw this. That's really pretty. It's got hand painting, but this part's transferred, which I'm not the biggest fan of. It's $16. That's probably at the top what I could get out of that. And what is this? That's kind of neat. Blue and white jar. Kind of interesting looking. Ginger jar. That's kind of cool. It's definitely different. Can't tell what the age on it is, but I feel like it's a little bit older. Could be wrong though. Hey, look. This pig bank is finally on discount. I've been looking at this thing forever. It's GOZ left in OICY because it's got a crack in it. I was going to say this pig's going to finally go on vacation. Oh, that was bad. I was going for the Royal Copley deer, but now I see they've got a chip on it. This is so spooky. What in the world? That is too much for me. Oof. Well, I decided to put this planter back. Just didn't have enough character for me for $10. I don't know. It's probably a good deal, but it's kind of hard to like that one the best when you got this one here. This is clearly the best thing ever. Retail on that is probably around $45. I'm gonna have $15 into it, and then shipping and all that, packing supplies. I'm just deeming it more of a booth item, and I don't have a booth, so I'm gonna keep on doing a second lap in this booth because I tell you, you have to really pay attention. They have such great stuff. And I was so excited about that cranberry pitcher that didn't really snoop around this booth too much. So I'm giving this a second look before I check out. This is what? Bob St. Clair 1977 bird. That's really spectacular. That's a good buy at 23. Wish it was different colorway. And then this Fatten piece, opalescent. That's gorgeous. Spanish lace, $15. Well, I'll take that for 15 bucks. Now that's totally my speed. And then look at this. A mini Empoli bottle. How neat. And I was just about to check out when I caught a glimpse of this vase. It's Rossi glass. It's a really nice color and really interesting shape. It's $33. I think I am going to ask them to pull that out. I had one once that was plain cranberry in a different shape, a more common shape. And it sold for like $49 or something. This one's way cooler and got the original stuff on it. So I'm going to get it. Well, I got some really neat stuff. I spent $93 in there. I feel really good about it. And now I'm off to, of course, yesteryear. I'll see you guys there.